everyone, welcome to the channel and welcome to yet another workout of day 3 of the 7-day consistency challenge. So here we are today. We'll be doing a leg workout which is short and spicy. So all you need is a mat, your water bottle, a pair of dumbbells, weight you can choose whatever and whichever is available, and then we have the resistance bands. These are loop silicone resistance bands. Any resistance band which are available with you, you can use them. If they are not available, that's okay. You can continue to do these exercises, the warm-up exercises, without them. So that's not a problem at all. So let's start this workout. Stay till the end for an amazing cool down. Let's go. So guys, let's start. We'll start with our warm-up. So these resistance band, you can wear them on your ankles. If you don't have them, that's not an issue. You can do the same exercise without resistance bands. So we will warm up the hip abductors here and 2 more. Very nice. Come on, let's go. So if you're doing it without the resistance band, there is no need to push the leg up for a good range of motion. The range of motion should be just till where you can just hover your leg on the ground. Alright? So now sideways is done. We'll go for waking up our glutes. Yes, let's go. So concentrate on your glutes, squeezing them. Very nice. Switch legs. Good one. Now take the resistance band above your knees and squat down. Okay, so this is a half squat. Shift your weight on one leg and just tap your leg in and out. Nine. Last one. Very nice. Shift it on your right and in and out. Good job. Your glute of the stationary leg is getting activated. Last 2. Good one. Now stay here in half squat and we will be doing the leg extension diagonally back. So 1. Very nice. Switch legs. Good one. So now your muscles are nice and activated. Just basic mobility. Deep squats. Good one. Now sit in a deep squat. Push your knees forward and sway side to side. Push your knees out Very good. Waking up the hamstrings. Good one. So I'm glad you are working out with me, on this leg day. So leg days are normally very spicy because they involve a lot of strength, a lot of lifting. Hinge forward. Push your glute back. Knees locked. So I'm glad you are disciplined enough to take on the day 3 of our 7-day consistency challenge. That's nice. Good one. So if you want, grab water. We'll be doing front squats here. So just push some hair because it's coming in between. Yes, come on. So front squats, a lighter weight which I've got because this is a warm-up set, 10 repetitions. All right, let's go. Come on. Last 2. Let's go. Very nice. Rest. Walk it out. Two more sets. Same thing. If you want to increase your weight, increase it. If you want to keep the same for this round, keep it the same. So I'm going to increase my weight. So 10 kg per hand. Come on, let's go. Three. Last 3. Good job. Last one, rest. Very nice. Good one. Yes, squats are tiring, but embrace them. They are an amazing workout form. Okay, breathe. Water if you want to. Sip. Let's go. Last hand. Let's go. Last 5. Last 2. Come on, push. Last one. Good job. Whew. Good one. Very nice. So, done with squats. Now we have body weight squat pulses. So we have 15 squat pulses in one round. Okay, come on. I'm glad you are enjoying. That's just one exercise done. Come on, let's go. Squat pulses. 7, 8. Come on. 11, 12. Last 5. Good job. Very nice. Whew. The quads are going to be on fire. Come on. Now, again, starting in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Thirteen, 14, 15. Good job. Whew. Brilliant. Last round. Just checking in. Mic is on. Come on. Let's go. Last round. Thirteen, 14, 15. Brilliant job. We are done with the second exercise. Good one. Now we'll be doing lunges, reverse lunges, alternate leg. Okay, let's go with some lighter weight. So if you want to have extra rest, pause the video, rest it out, come back again. Let's go. Six, 10 each leg. Okay, now immediately go into lunge pulses. 9, 10. Good one. Whew. Next leg. Nine, 10. Ouch. Whew. Yes. Good job. It is tiring. The legs are sore. Good one. Good one, but I'm very happy with sticking around, not running. Yeah. Good job. Yep. Let's go for another set. As I said, if you want to pause the video, take more rest. Let's go. I'm using 5 kg here in each hand. So last 3, 2, last one. Let's go. Lunge pulses. Nine, 10. Whew. Come on. Last one. Good job. if you get sore, can't do it, pause, jump in back. Okay, whew, walk it out. Well done. Sip of water if you want. So, talking and working out. Tough. But I'm with you guys. Come on. One last set. Whew, I know. Lunges are not my favorite part either. So, but we got to do what we got to do. Right? Stay with me. Let's go. Two. Come on. 3, 4. Last 5, come on. Last 2. Let's go. Last one. Not giving up. Superb. Whew. Lunge pulses. Come on. Whew. Well done. Oh, good job. Good one. Everyone, each and every one of you working with me right now. So proud of you. Come on. Now we have a step towards Bulgarian split squat. So for Bulgarian split squat, we need a bench where we rest our legs and then we go like from here to here. Okay, so this is an isolation movement. Whew. But we might not have a bench there, a bench here. So I'm giving you a modification. All right. So I'm taking my light dumbbells. The stance is take one foot behind, and that foot will be only for stability purpose. All right. And we sit down like a squat on the leg which is in front. Let's go. 1. Very nice. So you're going to feel the quad and the glutes of the leg which we are moving, not the leg which is behind. 10 repetitions. Last 4, 3, good one. Last 2, last 1. Good job. Whew. Let's jump in on the other leg. My hair is a mess. I should have tied it up. No worries. Let's do it. Let's go. 1. Very nice. That's 4. 3, 2, Last one. Come on, go down. Super. Good job. Good one, good one. Get some rest. Even if you are having water in between, make sure you are not gulping it down. Okay? It's just to make your throat wet. Yeah, I think you can hear me breathe there. Whew. Good one. Chalo. Let's go. Oops. Oh. Let's go. Start with the same leg which you began. 1. Last 2. Come on. Well done. 2. Good job. Last one. Come on. Good one. Well done. Good job. Oh. And we are off to 1 last set. Yes. Come on, guys. Oh, let's go. That's 4. Very nice. Switch legs. Come on, last two. Come with me. Come on, one more. Very good. Oh, good job. Now we come to the glutes part. Interesting. Want those peaches to be toned. Follow these. Let's go. So I'm taking one heavy dumbbell, whichever is available to you. Oh. Let's go. Okay. So keeping your dumbbell on just near your thighs, just near your groin, okay? And we'll go. Get your bridge up, squeeze those glutes. Come on. Squeeze those peaches, come on. Hold, pause for 2 seconds up here, then go. Come on, last 3. And they're burning. Good job. Well done. So, 2 more sets of the same. Breathe. Come on. Let's go. Burn those speeches, baby. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Last one. Good job. Well done. Whew. The glutes are burning, right? That's nice. That's a good feeling to have, really. Come on. One last set. Let's go. Last two. Come on. Push. Good job. Well done. And you're burning. Good job, everyone. Last part. Last two exercises. We'll keep these dumbbells aside. We don't need them right now. Get on the mat. Okay, in the cat cow position. And we are going to have 90 degrees donkey kicks. So, go up. 2. So this is level 1. This is level 2. Come on. Last 5. 3, 2. Last one. Good job. Well done. Switch legs. So you can go on all fours like this, or you can go in a plank. So let's start. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Come on. Keep kicking. While you kick. Sorry. You need to squeeze your glutes. Come on, last 3, 2, last 1. Woo. The glutes are burning, right? Yes. Yeah, we have last 2 sets of this exercise. So grab a sip of water, or else just stay here with me. Feel the burn in the glutes. You know, consistently doing all these exercises, your glutes are going to get toned, and you can see how. Come on. Okay, I'm going to turn here just in case, so you can see me clearly. Let's go. 1, 2. Last one. Very good. And turn here. Let's go. Come on. Keep going. Keep squeezing your glutes. Last 5. 3, 2, 1. Good job, everyone. Nice work. One last set of this, and then you get to cool down. Alright? Come on. No wasting time. Are you ready? One last set. Give it all you have. Then you will deserve a good cool down. Let's go. Come on. Last one. Come on. This side. Very good. Good job, everyone. Very nice. Switching sides. Let's go. Come on, last 4. Last one. Oh, good job. You've made it to your cool down. Have a sip of water. It was short, but wasn't it spicy? Oh boy. Whew. Come on, let's cool down. Get into a pigeon pose. Let's stretch those glutes. Very good. So if you can go down, go down. Good job. I'm so glad that you finished your workout here. I know some people won't stay for the cool down, but if you have stayed, I'm so proud of you. You should know that. Very nice. So we'll stretch our hamstrings here. So keep the foot flat and sit in. Very nice. Good one. Proud of you that you have made it consistently. Day 3. I'm so glad to have started this series because even I was missing out on my workouts, and because of this I think even I'll be consistent with you guys. Take one leg, maybe the other. Go down. Good job. Let's go. Very nice. So after this, you should be hydrating yourself. Alright? Stay hydrated, eat healthy, nutrient dense food, and complete your protein intake for today. And I'm so happy that we have made this through the workout, and very proud of you. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.